guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I have not picked up my camera in days because I haven't. Honestly, I have not picked up my camera in days because I haven't been doing nothing. I think the last time I talked to you guys, we were planning to go to Andretti's and decided not to because it was Mother's Day and my husband's foot was hurting and I figured it was gonna be too much going on and too many people out and about, so we ended up not going. So we scratched that off the agenda, and yeah, not been doing anything. Today our neighborhood pool opens. Honestly don't know if we're gonna go or not because the HOA board members are out of their mind. They done made decisions for the whole damn neighborhood, just 4 people, and I don't like it. I don't like the changes that they made, and a lot of people don't like the changes that they made, and it sucks because we moved into this neighborhood because we wanted our boys to have, you know, their own pool and basketball court to go to instead of being in somebody else's neighborhood. And now I feel like in their own neighborhoods they're gonna be heavily policed by 4 neighbors, and I'm not with it. So I don't know if we gonna do a whole lot. My boys said they don't really care because they don't really go up there anyway, but Camden, he goes up there to play basketball with one of the neighbor friends, but he said he ain't taking no picture. They want a picture ID. They want to use this phone app to be able to access the gate and all of that, and it's just a lot to me for a couple people to be decided. They ain't give us no vote. They have a lot of conversations on Facebook, but a lot of people in our neighborhood aren't a part of the Facebook group. So it's just, I don't know. I feel like they could have sent out mailers and had everybody vote for a few of the ideas that they had and then made a decision based on that, because the way they rolled it out was whack. It really was. So I don't know if we're gonna do a lot of swimming this year. It sucks, like I said, because Caden really likes to go to the pool. It's something for me and him to do if we ain't got nothing else to do. I probably will be the only one that will go. But again, I'm not happy about the changes that they made, so I don't know. Other than that, we don't have any plans for the weekend. Today is just Wednesday, so we got a few more days. And then, oh, actually, this is a holiday coming up, so it's a 3-day weekend for me. I don't know what we're gonna do though. We don't celebrate the holiday, but maybe we'll take Caden to the movies or go to Andretti's like we was gonna do. I don't know. I'm picking up my Sony today too, you guys, because I haven't picked you guys up on the Sony in a minute. And a young lady that just recently subscribed to my channel, hey, shout out to you. I subscribed to her channel as well. She looks like one of my cousins, and I believe she's in Georgia, which is such a small world. But she said that she found my videos from looking up information, I guess, about the Sony ZV-1F. And I was like, I have not even recorded on my Sony ZV-1F in a minute, so picked you guys up, and hey girl, hey. What else do I have going on? I don't have nothing else going on. I still have my canvases. I have not started with a design for it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that this weekend or not. It really wasn't on my radar, but I just happened to be looking in the playroom where I was working earlier and see them sitting in the corner like, hey, still wrapped up. I still need to get the acrylic paint for it. We got an airbrush attachment to go to the compressor. I've never done airbrush before, so I don't even know if I want to do that. I want to do a textured art. So if I do that, I need to get some paint and some other things in order to do that. And I don't think I'm gonna do that this weekend, but that's something that I need to put on my to-do list for the next few weeks, because I definitely want to get that art up and figure out what I'm gonna do with it. And then what else do I have going? I don't know. I thought I was gonna be able to change my nails, but that nail glue that I use is definitely hanging in there because I've had my nails for over a week now and they still hanging tough. I ended up taking off the 3D gel that I had on it and putting like these bedazzled rhinestones on there. And I lost one yesterday. You probably can't see it, but the stone came out because I was cooking chicken and I don't know. I must have hit it on something and the stone popped out of it. But yeah. So I won't be doing my nails until these come off, and I don't want to rip them off because I'm trying to be delicate about my nails underneath. And one of them is already broke. This nail already broke, so I'm starting this one from scratch, but all the rest of them are doing pretty good. So I have to wait on that before I can change out the color. And what else? Haven't done anything. Kaden and I end up binge watching Stranger Things. He like creepy stuff like that. And now we're waiting on season 5 because we got to figure out what's gonna happen next. So that's what we did as far as that is concerned. I really need to find something else binge worthy to watch. As we are almost in June, we are almost halfway through this crazy ass year. Oh my goodness. It's been a lot of truth bombs out there. The Kendrick and Drake beef was all the vibes for the last week or two. I still been watching reaction videos because they are just classic. Seeing people's reaction when Kendrick just like go into his storytelling mode and hype you up, it make you look at Drake in a totally different way, because Black Americans are some of the most forgiving, welcoming people on the planet. And all Black is not the same. And when I say that it's not the same, I'm meaning, you know, Drake being from Canada and them not having the same kind of culture and upbringing and experience that we have here. And then for him to come to America and be able to dominate in the realm of a rap. And then don't get me wrong, Drake got hits and Drake got a flow. Even if he don't write his own stuff, he definitely know how to flow. But lately, he been talking about gunplay and he been talking about this and that. And if you ain't about that life, like Kendrick said, don't be about that life. Stick to making me dance and throw my hands up. Don't try to be on some, you know, gunplay and, you know, gang and all of that kind of stuff. I don't even know where that's coming from, but it's funny because once a lame, always a lame, basically. And the way he been moving to me is lame. Stuff he been saying in his raps about slaves is lame. And so it's been an interesting beef. So we are not all the same. We don't have the same upbringing. And as much as people want to bring in race about it, it doesn't have anything to do with him being biracial per se. It has to do with the fact that he don't have the same cultural experience that we have here. So it's interesting. Bless you. Bless you. Very much interesting. Look at that. 50 don't be letting up. My goodness.
Bam pop.
That is so funny.
What's so funny? Show me.
Nothing that you would understand. It wouldn't be funny to you. Oh, you smell like outside.
Let me see.
My goodness. Now you need a day shower. Bye, Kaden. Anyway, 50 is petty as heck. He bought the Diddy documentary and sold it to Netflix. Like, what level of petty is that? Cause he been on Diddy's head for months, years. that whole thing, that was just, I don't think that it was that people didn't believe Cassie, but when you see it versus hear about it, it hit different. No pun intended, no Diddy, because it was sad. It was sad to see. And if he was bold enough to do her like that in a public hotel where anyone could be watching, anyone could have come out in the hallway at any time, and to do her like that and kick her like a dog, I would have fought him out of them goddamn saucy ass socks. She strikes me as the kind of girl that would not physically fight back. Maybe she had. I mean, he gives me Sparkle. Y'all remember the movie Sparkle? Not the remake, but the original with, what's her name? Irene Carroll. Let me see, what year did that movie come out? Ooh, 1976. So it came out before I was born, but I remember seeing it when I was younger. And the way sister's boyfriend beat her was like, crawl to me. That's what he did. He give me that vibe.
You haven't thanked me for your fur coat.
I thanked you every way I could, baby.
No, you haven't. Don't you crawl for me.
You want me to what?
Crawl. Bitch, crawl, bitch.
He gives me that vibe, and I just hate that for her, that she endured that so long. People often ask why people who experience or who are victims of DV and SA, which, you know, we can't even really say anymore, but people that are victims don't often leave sooner. But you can clearly see in that video an example of her trying to remove herself from the situation, and him chasing her down butt ass naked in a towel with some church socks on to literally drag her back. It's just it's disgusting. And I think that when you have a predator like him that has money and power, he's able to do that to the women who need him financially, because you know good and damn well he wasn't doing that shit to J-Lo. She had too much money and power herself, too much influence, too much access, and too close to whiteness to do her like that. So I don't believe he ever displayed that with her, but put her in that compromising position that he put her in with that gun situation way back in the day was enough for her to be like, you ain't about to mess up what I got going on. And she dipped. And then the things that I've heard about Kim Porter, I think that maybe later on she started to fight him back, but that's probably after years of disrespect, years of abuse, that she finally did, you know, what Tina Turner did, and finally, you know, decided to fight back. Me, there's a lot of men in my family. We weren't scared or intimidated as girls in the family of, you know, a man raising his voice or, you know, potentially pushing you or something like that. I couldn't see it. We both would have been jacked up if that had been me, because I would have been fighting him back, and, you know, I might have been bop, but he was gonna be bop right with me. So it's just crazy as hell. I don't see no coming back for his career in any kind of way, because when the time comes for you, there really ain't nothing you can do about it. And I'm sure there's so much other footage of him doing stuff out there that we just haven't even seen yet. Hang on, you guys, let me take this call. But anyway, I need to pull up these spearmint roots in the front yard, because spearmint is growing on the side of my house, but it's still like coming up where it was originally planted, and it's an eyesore in the mulch. So I need to try to pull that up and put some weed killer there. And then the freaking birds, they nest out there. Oh my gosh, I want to knock it down so bad. They might attack me if I do that, but I want to move it. Cause why they do it there? Because now they starting to shit on my patio furniture. They being disrespectful. So I don't know, I may have to do something about that. So you guys, there's a dilemma. I'm having a dilemma because I looked up in the nest on camera and it's empty. So there's no eggs up there. So I shouldn't feel guilty if I get a ladder and move it. Will they come back? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I need to get one of my boys to move it because they're not about to be shitting on the deck all summer long. Like, I don't want to deal with that. You don't. Let me think. Where can I move it? In the tree. They come back and their house is gone. They're going to be mad, but I don't want them pooping on my patio chairs either. Dang. Let me think about this, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm making an executive decision to take this nest down. Cause I don't want them pooping all over the porch. And I can see it's gonna pose a problem. So I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Can you see me? I know.
I'm oofing out. Aubrey, I'm oofing out on the floor.
What the heck does that mean, oofing?
I'm oofing out on the floor, Aubrey, help. Aubrey, help.
Y'all, if I get attacked, pray for me. Pray for me. Don't knock my camera, please, so we'll know where
No,
you're.
pretend like I'm on the floor oofing, and and force him to help me. Okay? First of all,
Coming. We're coming, baby.
I'm on the floor. Yes, attack.
It's kind of
Is
amazing.
there anything up there?
It's really cool how they made it, but it can't stay there. I haven't seen the birds, but they probably nearby. But I'm gonna see if I can set it in a tree because I don't want them on the porch. I don't. They got to go. They got
I'm
to
just gonna
go.
have one glove on. Try to give it to me again.
That's the bird nest.
Try to give it
This
to me
perfect circle.
again.
That's so neat. I mean, they got mud. Oh my goodness, they really worked hard on that thing, but they gotta go.
I ate it.
What should I do with it, guys? I can't get it in no tree. Maybe. They usually don't want to be down low if they're going to plant some eggs there, but I'm glad there was no eggs in it. I think if it had eggs in it, I wouldn't have moved it at all.
Just put it right there.
I mean, I guess.
At least we can still.
Oh, look, right next to some eggshells. That's something.
Maybe they hatch right here.
I don't know, but this can stay right there, but it definitely don't need to be in front of the house. On the porch.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer. Front of your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that. Don't really love you like that.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another day. This is gonna be a continuance of the other day when I got rid of that bird's nest finally and pulled up the weeds that were growing in the mulch. I didn't have anything else going on, so I'll include this footage into that vlog and put that out for you guys as soon as possible. We're supposed to be going to a cookout later on, so hopefully they won't mind me recording. I haven't been anywhere in a while and I haven't seen them in a minute, so hopefully we'll be able to go. The weather seems to be clearing up. It was raining like cats and dogs early this morning, but the sun is out and it's nice and bright. I'm getting ready to find something to eat because it's already almost 4 o'clock and I have not eaten today. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I was working on my nails. I had to take those press-ons off because I noticed some discoloration on one of my nails. So I cleaned them up and just put gel polish on them. So here's where we are. My nails are definitely growing out slowly but surely. I don't know if you can tell that they've grown out some, but still working on them. I want to let my nails rest for a week or two before I put press-ons back on because they actually do help my nails to grow out because they're not being like touched and nicked and banged and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do the press-ons until they get out. I don't want them to be super long, but definitely a little bit longer than this. And then I could start focusing on making sure that my nails are strong and prevent them from breaking, because that was my issue before. Anywho, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just opening up today with a hello, and I'm just gonna straighten up a bit downstairs and find something to eat, you guys, cause your girl, I'm not hungry though. I'm drinking a protein drink that has 15 grams of protein in it right now. I'm still down my 10 pounds. I have not gone beyond 10 pounds and I am close to being 30 days in, so on phentermine, that is. Did you get your drink? I'm putting these tulips back in this vase because my flowers are dead. Need to get some live ones. You can stay here with Kristen.
All I want to do is flip these little parts back with the gel, but not take apart this.
You have to have it taken apart. It's dry. I need to at least spray it. It's dry.
Just spray my...
Dry and crispy.
Spray my hair and gel it in my face. Okay?
No.
And after that, nothing else.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in.
Good morning. You guys are sliding already, which means you're on the cannon. I'm getting ready to take my phentermine. It's a late start because it's already almost 1 o'clock on Sunday. I'm getting ready to clean this refrigerator out, but I got dishes that need to be done that didn't get done yesterday. My son sucks at doing his dish days, I swear. I should wake him up out of his sleep like our parents did us back in the day, but I don't got time for that. Anyway, I hope everyone is doing well. I should go get my mount. It's in the car. I don't feel like going out there either. I needed to go through my freezer because I had stuff that needed to be thrown out from I don't even know how long it's been in there. I ain't even gonna take no chances. If it's been there and I haven't seen it, garbage it goes. Okay, you guys are on the mount. It's so freaking hot outside. It may be a good day to go to the pool. It's supposed to be cloudy, but hot, which may not be bad because they don't have to get burned up in the sun. I don't know. That might be a plan. It could be a plan. You guys, my husband will see me put stuff in the Amazon cart, and if he's getting something, he'll get it. And sometimes I just be putting stuff in my cart just so I won't lose it, but don't know if I really want it or not. So I'm like,
Hi.
I seen these shades. I don't have anything like this,
Can I see what they look like?
but I didn't know if I was gonna get them or not.
Can I see? Now my mom's gonna wrap them.
Anywho, and then a lens for my, not a lens, but a hood for my lens. I don't know if I need it or not, but sometimes if I'm out and I'm recording and I'm in the sun, this seemed like it would be helpful, but I don't know if it's gonna make much of a difference. Maybe with the right thing on it, maybe, but I was just thinking about it. I wasn't gonna actually do
Put these
it.
somewhere else.
So we're gonna go to the pool. It's been decided. Let him burn some of this energy he got. Okay, we have made it to the pool. Let's see. It's hot as heck out here, bro. Ooh, gonna give me a heart attack. You trying to learn how to swim?
See what happened. I kind of knocked out. So I was thinking,
Swear you on the same shit. Fucking lame niggas getting lame dick. It's a Model 3 when I lane switch. Still with all the niggas that I came with, ayy. Always going up, we don't know down. See you got a new truck, oh you on now. Really I ain't tryna throw no shade, I just really came to say that I really miss the days when you.
Was the high, thought I believe in that. Ay, you should hit my phone and say you need me back. Ay, when I check the message, you don't even call. This don't feel like love, so did you even fall? I don't know.
Late night conversations in the web. Had to make the time cause you was always on my mind. And I just had to let you know that you the shit. Really was down and fuck with me. Started moving different, it was suddenly. Other girls do that faking, you would come for me. I guess I jumped the gun, you ain't in love with me.
Your ass was the high, thought I believe in that. Ay, you should hit my phone and say you need me back. Ay, when I check the message, you don't even call. This don't feel like love, so did you even fall? Your ass was the high, thought I believe in that. Ay, you should hit my phone and say you need me back. Ay, when I check the message, you don't even call. This don't feel like love, so did you even fall?
Message undelivered, I don't really get you. Probably with your friends or with a different nigga. You ain't got no heart or soul. And if you do, it's probably cold. Tell me why you broke the code. Why you moving different, I don't even know. Wait around for you, kinda getting old. A bunch of false promise you ain't uphold.
Your house was the high, thought I believe in that. Ay, you should hit my phone and say you need me back. Ay, when I check the message, you don't even call. This don't feel like love, so did you even fall? Your house was the high, thought I believe in that. Ay, you should hit my phone and say you need me back. Ay, when I check the message, you don't even call. This don't feel like love, so did you even fall?
Always going up, we don't know down. See you got a new truck, oh you on now. Really I ain't tryna throw no shade, I just really came to say that I really miss the days when you going up, we don't know down. See you got a new truck, oh you on now. Really I ain't tryna throw no shade, I just really came to say that I really miss the days when you.
I was getting ready to close out this vlog. I wanted to show you guys the end result of my nails. I ended up doing Gel X instead of press-ons because there was some, what do you call them? You call them greenies, I believe, where you start getting discoloration, like the beginning of fungus on your nails from lifting and water under your nails. So I was able to get those press-ons off, clean my nails up, leave them alone for a few days, and then I just did Gel X because doing Gel X allows me to be able to see if I have any air bubbles. So I ended up doing this last night, polished them today, and this is how they came out. Super cute. Yeah. Also, you guys, this vlog, we got rid of the nest in the front of our house just to find out that there was a nest being built in my husband's gas grill. He hasn't used the grill in quite a while, so they've had plenty of opportunity and time to be able to do it. And there's 3 eggs in there, so we can't move that nest until they're done doing what they're doing. But oh my goodness, I don't even know how they got in there in the first place. It had to have been a tiny bird.
Said there was a little opening. I smell it was a penny.
I don't know. We don't know what kind of bird it could be. The eggs are pretty small, but
Birds don't make nests shaped like that. They usually
they make all kinds of different nests, Kaden. They can definitely make a nest in any shape.
Yeah, but they like to make their nest shapes in a circle instead of like whatever shape that's called again.
Yeah. Anyway, so I don't know what it is, but a lot of people are having issues with their birds in their neighborhood.
Yeah, but we'll find out when they hatch and we'll upload. Be blessed.
Anyway, you guys, we are out of here. Be blessed.
Is this the nest?
What?
Is there eggs?
It sure is.
You don't touch.
Kaden, I'm not. What in the heck? How the heck did they even get in there?
I don't know. You left it open.
Oh, he didn't leave it open.
Maybe the birds were just smart and used their legs to open.
What in the world?
Do you think we should move it? Wait till the end. Another solution can be wait. That what? Did it attack you?
Probably kill the eggs or something.
Huh?
Probably kill the eggs because we messing with it.
What in the hell?
Do you think there's a solution to wait till they hatch? Do you think there's a solution to wait till they hatch to move it?
Yeah, you gotta wait. You don't want to disrupt it while the babies is in there. That's not gonna be right.